Now let's work a basic drill to escape or do what we call the half guard pass. My partner has his right leg trapped. Number one, hug the neck. Number two, turn the hip. Number three, keep the base. Don't move. Don't move. Yeah. Make sure that your balance is strong. His knees well positioned. Number four, walk to the middle and stop. Push that leg at the same time. Now, as your knee go over, stay there. Squeeze your knees tight. So if I try to bump you or push you, you don't go anywhere, then kick your leg over. Yes. Switch sides. Yes, very good. So number one, hug. Keep your base. Knees tight. Very good. Turn your hip. Walk to the middle. Walk to the middle. Walk. Don't stop walking. Squeeze your knees. And get your leg out. Good. Now go to the other side. One more time. Hug. Hold tight. Keep your knee tight. Keep your weight down. Keep your weight down. Yes. Good. Turn your hip. Walk to the middle. Push. Knees tight. Knees tight. Squeeze your knees. Then get your leg out. Good job.